Mike Bruno's North Shore Harley-Davidson is rolling Daytona. A chance for you to win a brand new Electric Glide Harley-Davidson motorcycle and many more prizes, including a trip to Daytona Bike Week and $500 gas money. I'm Jesse James Dupree, and Rolling Daytona is brought to you by Mike Bruno's North Shore Harley-Davidson, Jesse James Bourbon, and our military's best friend, the VFW organization. Swing by the dealership today and pick up your voucher and register to win big. Win the new motorcycle, a trip to Daytona Bike Week and $500 gas money, swag bags, a pair of wristbands worth over $600 to camp at the Full Throttle Saloon's Pappy Hoyle Campground during the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. I'm even throwing in an autographed Jesse James Bourbon Dean guitar and VIP passes for the Jackal concert at Destination Daytona on Saturday night, March the 13th. So many great prizes for you to win and so many reasons for you to head to Florida for Bike Week, March 5th through 14th. So swing by Mike Bruno's North Shore Harley-Davidson today, pick up your voucher and register to win. Get all up in everything that is Harley-Davidson. We roll in Daytona. Pa-pow!